So the other day I went and ordered weld metals online's beginner TIG package. Just check it out. Seemed like it was a good price. So today we're gonna use it. Comes with 3 different size filler metals. All of them are ER70S2 filler wire. We got 1/16 inch, 0.045 and 0.035. It also comes with 1 piece of tungsten, which should definitely be able to get you through all this stuff. It's 3/32, which is my go-to tungsten size, and it's laser tungsten. I've never ran this, so it'll be interesting to see how it does. Lastly, comes with 4-inch coupons, cold rolled, and these are the 1/16 inch, and it comes with 2 1/8 inch. I've had good luck with these before, so we'll see how they do. Alright, sharpen both sides of the tungstens. So like always, today I'm running the HTP Invertig 221 with the water cooler. And I'm using a Harbor Freight table. I got this one on sale for 55 bucks, I think. So we sold our house, so I'm kicking it old school right now. So here's the 16th inch. There's the 1/8 inch. Here's the 16th inch I did with the number 5 cup. And 16th, I'm a little out of practice. I got sucked back right there at the start, and then right there at the end. Right here is where I had my third hand sitting, and it was too close. So it sucked the heat out, so I gave it more amps, and then it ended up melting through as soon as I passed. Should have thought it out better. That one's fine. This one I ran at 145 amps, and I didn't give it full pedal. The first here to here, I'm probably 3/4 of a pedal, then full, and then right about here I start tapering down. And same goes on 16th. I was probably, I think I had it set at like 70 amps, maybe 80. And I didn't use the full pedal except for right there where the third hand was sucking away some of the heat. Now, it's a good idea to clamp something to the back of this if you have angle iron, or if you have square tubing or something. It'll suck the heat out, but also then you can weld the backside. Like cold rolled will get that mill scale on the backside if it's not covered by anything or if there's no backing gas on it. So if you want to be able to use the backsides of T-joints, make sure you clamp something to it. I think I'm too used to using the ferrite cups. I was running the number 5, but I could not get a clean puddle. So I don't know if the ferrite cup helps so much because it's flowing gas past where you're welding, so that any of the heated up metal isn't oxidizing before you get there. I think that's what's happening because it kind of feels like it with that number 5 cup. So I switched over to the ferric and didn't have any problems after that. Overall, I really like this kit. It's pretty good for beginners because it gives you all the different filler rod sizes so you can play around with that. It's got the 2 different coupon sizes. If you're a beginner though, 16th inch is probably going to be a little too thin for you. I would probably just get more 1/8 inch coupons and work on that. It'll be a little easier and you can see it better because you have a bigger puddle. So that's my only thing with this, but it is nice. So if you run through the 1/8 inch coupons first, get it under control, and then start working on your 16th inch, that should give you a little bit better puddle control. If you're interested in this kit or any of their other coupons, I have a coupon code. It's 5th Street Fab, 5th Street Fab. Anyways, it's 10% off, and it actually gives me a little bit of a kickback, so it helps buying coupons and stuff like that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not. You guys have a good one.